Hey guys, in this video we're going to be reviewing GoodDay.work and whether or not it is worth it. I actually got the premium plan just to show you, and it has everything included here. As you can see, it'll be a completely 100% honest review. I'll give you the pros and cons, we'll go over the pricing. They even have a free tier as well, as you can see. And I was actually looking for some, strong alternatives in the project management space. But when I went and got this tool, I realized it does much more than just project management, which it does really well as well. As you can see, you can even manage workloads for your users or employees. As you can see right here, you can go ahead and track time. We have reports that you can set up by user. You can do a summary report. You can even have your finance sections, different dashboards here. You can have an event summary, many different things. You can also add new modules if you want right here, even embed stuff. As you can see, of course, you can also go ahead and add your new tasks, right? Now, here is my section. This is my home. As you can see, this is my time. I had done 2 hours. Of course, you can increase your work day right here. You can set it up, customize it. You can even do 10 hours. You can go above this as well. Let's say 10 hours. It does work. And you can have a notepad right here, notifications set up, your different tasks. It's really good for productivity management like that. Now, that's not all it does. For example, look at this. We have this section right here, product development. You can even have a team chat. It replaces Slack, Microsoft Teams, and for this one right here, project management, it is replacing Trello, Asana, Monday.com. You have everything in this one tool. It gives you the visual ease of use of Trello, but it adds the deep hierarchy and subtasking that you can actually find in Asana. For example, I can show you right here. These are the different sections that we have. We have all of these task trackers, productivity tools here, meetings, and they have Gantt charts. They have sprint type projects, and it replaces Jira, Team Gantt, MS Project, anything you can think of, it replaces it. For productivity and time tracking, we probably use Toggle or Hubstaff, maybe Time Doctor or Harvest. It replaces those as well, as you can see right here. And you can just go ahead and make your time report. Very easy. You can do it for the existing task as well. You can go ahead and pick that up. There you go. And then you just go ahead and choose your start and end times. Or you can just enter a reported time. Let's say 30 minutes. You submit that and you choose a user. Of course, you can go ahead and add more users to your workspace. You can also add a team. Let's say you want to divide it by sales team. You can also give them access. So if I click on this icon, I'm able to give them full access if I want, and you can notify them on all updates. Of course, you can create more projects as well. You can set up automations in this. You can change your color here, customize everything, icons, anything you can think of, you can go ahead and customize. So let me show you more customization options that they have right here. As you can see under the settings, we have different customization options you can go ahead and go for. So we have skin and layout here. You can do top navigation, left navigation, dark theme, light theme, anything you want. It is very, very possible. So here, as you can see, it looks more slick. They have knowledge base and documentation here. As you can see, they also have these as well. You can also get more information about this, right? And they also have resource and capacity planning. They have a dedicated workflow going on that shows when it is under or over capacity. And you can also go ahead and replace things like Resource Guru with that, complex Excel spreadsheets. And of course, you can go ahead and chat with your other users and teams, replacing Microsoft Teams, Slack. We have strategic planning options that you can go for. You're basically replacing BetterWorks or just simple goal tracking sheets. They even have some niche business modules you can go for. It will replace Pipedrive, HubSpot for simple lead tracking. You can also go ahead and create things like forms as well. Right here, as you can see, if I come here, you can add new spaces. You can go out with new tools. You can create forms as well. You can import and export right here. As you can see, I can do different integrations. As you can see, of course, you can set up automations here. And we also have this full finance section. You can go ahead and add your task expenses right here and see whether or not you're meeting your project expenses, your budgets. Right here, you can approve, can reject here the expenses. As you can see right here, this is our annual budget, the different departments, everything set up. Let me switch over back to light mode. Now that I've shown you all of that, you can just come here to the website, just scroll down and see the different modules they have, everything that they bring, all in this one tool. It's almost endless. As you can see right here, by the way, you can literally use templates. You don't have to come up with these things yourself. They have all these settings, as you can see, and you can literally go ahead and use templates. So if I come here and you can create a new space, you can just come here, project, you can use a template from the template library, or you can just do quick adds here. As you can see, there's documentation, everything that you'll probably need. This is their product overview page. As you can see, all of these different departments you can bring into one tool. You don't need to open multiple different softwares and tools. Everything will be in one tool. Now, let's go to the pricing. You can get started for free forever. You get 1 to 15 users. You get your work management solution, get you up and running, unlimited projects and tasks, 1 gigabyte of storage. Right here, you get unlimited project hierarchy, dashboards, basically all the basics. You can access templates, get everything here. You can also get the mobile and desktop app. So if you're on the go, you can use the mobile app. And if you want to get to the professional business tiers, for example, it gives you access to more members. So if you have a bigger organization, you can use this. You can use a Good Day productivity suite. It literally will increase your productivity by about 20%. You can do time tracking, things like that. And if you want finance modules, you can go for the business one as well. So this one gets you up to 350 members. If you have unlimited members, you can go ahead and request a code for the enterprise one. Just contact them. But otherwise, this is a really good tool. The only cons, I would say, is that if you want things like time tracking, you need to go for the pro plan. You cannot get that in the free plan. And there are other things as well. For example, if you are doing more automations, you would need to get the premium plan, but it is affordable. $6 per user per month. If you get with the annual plan, it comes down to $4 per user per month. And even these ones, as you can see, they come down as well. But honestly, that is the only con I can think of. It is still way cheaper than getting all of those other tools. Those are usually priced 3 times the basic price right here, and that's just for one tool. Here you get everything you can think of. So that is our review for GoodDay.work. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button. If you appreciate the honesty, make sure you subscribe to find your solution. I'll see you in the next one.